Hi, I'm Gabriel, a solar applications engineer here at NAA Solar Electric. Today we're answering another commonly asked question. How do I clean and maintain my solar panels? Solar systems are designed to run for decades with minimal maintenance, but a little care can help ensure your system continues performing at its best. In many cases, solar panels don't need frequent cleaning. Rain often removes most dust and debris naturally. But in dry or dusty environments or areas with pollen, bird droppings, or heavy debris, buildup can reduce how much sunlight reaches the panels. If you notice visible buildup or a drop in system output, it may be time to clean the panels. Common things that affect panels include dust or dirt accumulation, bird droppings, pollen or tree sap, and leaves or debris blocking parts of the array. Even small shaded areas on a single panel can impact performance on the whole array. So keeping panels clear help maintain consistent production. If you decide to clean your panels, it's important to do it safely. Use plain room temperature water and a soft brush or sponge. Avoid using really hot water as rapid temperature changes could cause stress on the glass. Avoid metal tools, sharp edges, harsh chemicals, pressure washers, or anything abrasive that could scratch the glass or damage the seals. Cleaning early in the morning or later in the evening is best when panels are cooler. And if your panels are on a roof, always prioritize safety or consider hiring a professional. Snow can be tricky to deal with. The good news is that most solar panels are installed at an angle and have a smooth glass surface, which means snow will often slide off naturally once the sun comes out. The dark surface of solar panels also helps. Darker panels absorb sunlight and warm up faster thanks to the albedo effect. Light-colored, shiny surfaces like ice and snow have a high albedo, reflecting most sun rays to keep things cool. Dark surfaces like ocean water or asphalt have a low albedo, absorbing more sun rays and causing warming. If you live in a colder climate where snowfall is common, this is another reason to consider dark surface solar panels as opposed to light surface. If snow accumulation is heavy and remains on the panels for several days, you may be able to help with the melting process. You can use tap water from a garden hose, but never use hot water, as the thermal shock can shatter the glass. If physical removal is needed, a soft bristle brush can be used to gently clear the panels. Leaf blowers are also useful for light, fluffy snow. Never use harsh de-icers, salt, or scrapers, as they can also cause damage. As always, if your panels are on a roof or difficult to reach, safety should come first. Use tools with long handles from the ground or a ladder. In many cases, the best approach is simply letting the sun do the work. Snow often melts or slides off faster than most people expect. Beyond cleaning, solar systems require very little routine maintenance. A few good habits include: check your monitoring systems occasionally to confirm normal production, make sure trees or new shade aren't blocking the panels, inspect for debris after storms or high winds, and inspect panel-to-panel connections for any loose wires or visible damage. Most modern solar equipment is designed to operate reliably for many years with minimal attention. If you ever notice unusual performance changes or have questions about your equipment, the team at NAA Solar Electric is here to help. Reach out to our team anytime for guidance on maintaining an existing system or planning a new one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other commonly asked question videos.